Okay, so today we're doing scallops in the shell. If you haven't seen the scallop shell before, this is the scallop shell. This is how they go together. When they actually go like that when they're in the water, they'll swim backwards. I actually have a video of that when I was diving that I caught that small one swim backwards. If I remember, I'll put it in the descriptions. But for now, what we're going to do is we are going to do scallops in the shell. Really simple. I'm going to time it. I'm going to do it super fast. This is something you can put together very quick. It's going to be very impressive, simple, tastes great. I'm going to actually put it on the timer. I'm saying about 5 to 10 minutes to get everything together. You got to be a little careful because these are wiggly, so you got to balance out the scallops. Then we're going to put them in the smoker, which I got that turned up to 400. Smoker, oven, same thing. Be the same time. On your scallops, if you see like this little nib, you want to take that off. So you want to take, it's called a nib and it's a hard spot. So what we're going to do is we're going to start. We got all the ingredients here. Not really going to give amounts because you're going to do this more on site and I'll go through it as I go. So let's start and see how long it takes. Okay, so what you're going to do is you're going to take one scallop, put it in the center, make sure it's balanced out. Right. Fix the hat with a knife. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to slice these in half. Slice these in half. And we're just going to add a little extra, which will be great. Now, what you're going to do is you're going to take cream, you're going to pour it, I'd say just about half up over the scallop. This is where it can get tippy, so it's this heavy cream. You see, you want to get a good amount on there. If you don't got scallop shells, you can just do these in little dishes. And I got them on a cookie sheet, that way if they overflow it will catch it, because that happens a lot. So got the cream added. Cream, okay. Tarragon, nice little sprinkle of tarragon, just a bit. Not going to put a lot of spices in this. We're going to let the scallops do the flavoring. There we go. Tarragon. Now, important, Breton crackers. You can use other crackers, but Breton are the best. So we're going to take a Ziploc bag, go into them in. I'm just going to crush them up. Now, don't forget, which I almost did, pepper. A good amount of pepper. I love pepper. Where are we at? Oh, we're like 3 minutes. Hopefully you can see the timer up there. It's just something to do a little fun. Pepper. Now we're gonna salt it. Salt it. This one's a little tippy, so I'm just gonna churn it. Look, sometimes you just churn them, and that works. Right? Just offset the balance. Okay, so we got these all ready to go, just crunched up half decent. And then what I'm gonna do is tear a hole in the corner, make it a little larger, and put a nice coat of Breton crackers that you can't see the cream or the scallop. This one's tipping a little. Now we'll put a little weight back there. That was a bit of Box Breton Crackers. And then we're going to throw the bag away. Let's get a little tip on it. Alright, we're not going to worry with it. Now butter. Salted butter. 3 chunks. And this is it. See how simple that was? moving a little quicker. And we're gonna toss this in the smoker. Look at that, that's gonna be delicious. Trust me, if you don't think it's gonna be delicious, if you don't believe me, give this a try and let me know in the comments, because I think you're gonna love it. Be surprised how easy it was to make. And we gotta balance this, so good job. They have been lost before. There you have it, in the smoker, 6 minutes, 13 seconds, and you know, probably about 4 minutes to get the ingredients out here and have it set up. So under 10 minutes you get scallops in the shell that are totally incredible. One thing I do want to mention about the scallops that I didn't before, make sure that if you get them frozen, thaw them out and let them thaw for a good amount of time, because they release a lot of moisture and water. And if you put them in the scallop shell with the cream and the Breton crackers before all the moisture, most of the moisture is coming out, they will get really runny and they're not very good. It's even good to take a paper towel and damp the scallops off before you put them in the shell. So, or the dish, small dish that you want to use. So we're going to leave these go. I'm thinking half an hour, 45 minutes, and we're going to go try them. So yeah. I just realized too the camera was missing the clock. I had this nice stopwatch clock that I put on, and when we started, that's just the time, just to have some fun to see how quick we can do it. So as you can see with my talking, we're at like 7 minutes, so we'll leave that run. Okay, it's 41 minutes, so you know, over 30 minutes to cook them on 400. They're done. We're gonna take them out. Yeah, so you can see they're done. The butter melted into the Breton crackers really nice, made a nice crust. It's crispy around the edges. And you don't want to cook scallops long, but a half an hour. By the time the heat gets in, penetrates and cooks them, it's just done right. So in about 10 minutes, 10-15 minutes, because these get really hot, we're going to cut them apart, take a fork and break them open and try them. See how the scallops are done. See you in 10. Okay, they cooled for 10 minutes. I'm gonna take lemon, just squeeze a little over, lemon over. Let's seed out of there. And let's just scallop apart. Oh, nice and done. Looks good. No, beautiful. Good. Creamy Breton crackers, tarragon. Nice. Give it a try. Tell me if you like it or not. I really like it.